We are reclaiming African spirituality as queer people. We are doing it every freaking day. We queer Africans can connect spiritually without shame. We can do it in so many ways. Honoring our ancestors via meditation, energy work, and just trying to center yourself and ground yourself. Just connect with your people. That is why I always say my ancestors are always here with me. They understand me, they love me, they care for me. My parents are both dead. They are in this room fighting for me, standing for me. My good ancestors that mean well. They will continue to guide and protect me. Understanding things that has to do with our culture, like chi, ori, and personal destiny. Learning pre-colonial history. Building community through story telling and remembrance. We are doing all of these things. Spirituality is not owned by homophobes. Reclaim it. Reclaim it with your full chest. Reclaim it. Because I have said this in so many ways. You do not need to be in community with people that are wayward in the name of God. You can be in community with people who see you, who understands who you are, who know that you are sacred, you are wonderful, you are holy, and there is nothing wrong with you. I want to give this message to each and every one of us, me included, especially if you are a queer person from Africa, trying to feel complete again, trying to feel whole again, trying to feel like you matter because you do matter. Your life is amazing, and there's nothing wrong with you. Your queerness is not separate from your African identity. It is not a contradiction. It is a continuation of a legacy that existed long before colonizers touched our soil. Your queerness is a continuation of that. Your spirit is not broken. Your ancestors are not disappointed in you. The only thing that doesn't belong here is shame. And that was never ours. You are African, you are queer, and you are sacred. I need you to know this. You are African. There is nothing wrong with you. You are queer and fabulous. And you are sacred. And you should know that. Carry that with you every fucking place you go to. That's why when you come into the room as a queer person, they notice you. Because you come with an aura, with an energy that they can never match. You are always doing the things. I want you to look within yourself. Think. And just think about, do you have any spiritual journey? If there is, share it within yourself or to other people. I need you to question the sources of your shame. What is the sources of your shame? Is it the Bible? Is it your pastors? Is it your church? Question that and challenge it and say, I am not ashamed. Like Billy Potter said, I'm not ashamed anymore. You should not be ashamed. Do not inherit any nonsense shame. I want you to claim and reclaim our history. Not the colonial version, Biko. Please, do not claim the colonial version. Claim our history. Reclaim our history before colonization. And be fab because you are juicy, moisturized, hydrated, glowy, and doing the things. You are the vibes. You are amazing.